How to use StockX for trading cards and collectibles. StockX operate as a live market for trading cards and collectibles, functioning similar to a StockX or stock market, where buyers and sellers interact through bid and ask. What you need is you could simply purchase, or if you want to buy trading card and collectibles, you could purchasing on StockX marketplace involve 3 steps. That means you have to use a search bar to find a specific card, and you could just choose your purchase method, place a bid or buy now options, and authenticate and deliver. So use the search bar and you could just go ahead and look for collectibles. Here it is. And let's say this is the one. If you just want to go ahead and select sell or ask, or you could simply go ahead and buy. That is the simplest thing you could do it, and that is how you are going to list out. And if you are selling trade cards and collectible, what you need is the most individual trading card must be professionally created by PSA and BGS. The slabs must be acceptable conditions without major cracks or scratch as well. You could then go ahead and place and ask, sell now, all that. This way, you're supposed to use StockX for trading cards and collectibles. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.